This build series is proudly sponsored by Luntstone. Luntstone is a UK independent electrical engineering contractor delivering design, manufacturing, installation, commissioning and maintenance service expertise to a broad range of customers across the industrial, retail, educational and commercial sector. So if you want to find out more about Luntstone, please check out the website link in the description down below. Without further ado, let's get on to today's video. Right, there we have it. The floor is out and it's pretty much prepped. There's a couple of bits that I need to address or work out what to do. There's a few bits here as well that I haven't managed to get out just yet. So they need to get chopped out, as is this bit here. The other side was done. And then a bit towards the back, just here. And then this lip on the inside of the heelboard. Now, when I got to this side of the heelboard, that gap there was just full of putty, so I managed to get that out, but it doesn't look too clever inside there, and you can see it has been repaired. So I'm going to speak to Gareth and see what he wants to do. Possibly chop off these ends and replace the ends, because the rest of the heelboard actually looks really good, and I don't particularly want to disturb that really. I need to go through and clean up all this lip. It goes flat on here and flat up the inside of this, so that needs to get cleaned up. But yeah, pretty good so far. So as I say, a few more bits and pieces to clean up, and then we can do a test fit. Gareth couldn't make it over today, so I was on my own. So there's not a lot I could really do other than just cutting and grinding, cleaning, etc. So potentially I might need to replace sections of the doorstep or the entire doorstep. This side here, you can see a bit of pitting and stuff through the back, up here as well. And when I come to weld it, there might not be a lot left to do, but we'll just see. I've got to clean the top lip of this. I'll just tip this around a second. So yeah, I've got to clean this side of it. If I can get that nice and clean, then it should be okay. And I can obviously just spot weld this all together and just pay a bit of close attention to these areas. The shape of this, sort of a bit contoured. I do have, I think it's up there actually, a couple of spare door steps, so I could chop out a couple of sections and use them. It's frustrating, this part here, right in the very front, has gone there. I don't particularly want to take off the A panel, but I should be able to get in there. There's a couple of patches I'm a little bit uneasy or unsure about how to get to. So this floor section here needs to come out still, but trying to grind up the spot welds on the inside is very difficult. But we'll get there. We're making good progress. So anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to come back next week and finish the cleaning up and then test fit the floor. Hopefully the floor's going to be there or thereabouts, a little bit of fettling here and there, but I think it should go relatively easy. I think if he can, Gareth's going to come over next week. We can get the floor welded in. With his help, that should be absolutely spot on. But yeah, that's where we are, and I'm going to leave this video here because it's gone on a little while. So if you have enjoyed the content, as always, click the thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Take it easy.